Most people solve this question like 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3, right? Then again 5 minus 8 and is equal to minus 3. Now minus 3 times minus 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 5 minus 8 times, now 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. So now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, right? Then we have to solve subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So is equal to 5. Now minus 8 times minus 3 is equal to plus 24, right? So now 5 plus 24 is equal to 29. So the correct answer is 29. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe with the Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.